Man, know what I'm like a cat for this, man. People don't know some of the real chef, man. The real chef, trust me. Them can't have cat in a kitchen. Them know say be a thief, cat thief food out of kitchen, man. Bird?
Yes, I'm gonna turn it.
I done never done him. Real chef.
Grace turn up the heat. Grace turn up now.
Ain't you gonna lively up yourself?
Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up.
You gonna rock so, you rock so?
Turn it up.
Today's show, we're here to settle a score between two of Jamaica's favorite comedic personalities as they square off in the kitchen.
Fancy Cat, I the best.
You know them as Ity and Fancy Cat, dynamic duo. But today, a rivalry is simmering to see who's the joker in the kitchen.
All right, Ity, so what's your winning recipe for today?
Gossa. Mackerelista, Mackerel. This is the Itylicious Mackerelista ginger flavored rice.
Ooh, okay, sounds fancy. What? Fancy Cat?
That's all it
Fancy Cat, what do you have up your sleeve to beat that?
Run down.
Hands of parchment is streaking away from the field.
After B, mackerel, run down. This is not a normal mackerel still, you know. This is a great mackerel, you know, the one way in the brand. That's what I'm saying. You can use the thinners and do the rundown. So this name Catch Me If You Can. You hear it?
Catch me, can. I will tell you something. But I feel like a choice. Look here.
I want to tell you, if you try to diss me in the kitchen, just remember, I am Benito.
I think cooking take two, Mark.
Courage, my boy.
Joke, I guess it's a flavor where the thing you get. Part of you put it in the hole, so when you crush it now, it bring out the flavor out of it, you know?
Yeah.
Suck that bird. You got to put in the grace, coconut and milk from the tin. I could have grate my coconut, but to say, I didn't climb the tree.
Come on, look at Cat, man. Where you look like him do? Cook the food, I eat the food. Come on, talk to him, man. Look at Fancy Cat. Where you look like him do?
No, you say we cook where we eat, and we eat where we cook. But look how you mark, I wonder where you eat. My boy used to rape people with ackee tree and them things that run with boats. So when you're youth and you run boat, you learn to cook from your picnic. Teeth out, you know, the glass thing over the meat, and that's our plate.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Oh, what is lad? You get a close up of that, you know. People are glad enough to see where I go on. And look there. Oh, and Jesus. Curry.
So fancy you now start cook?
Them no cook it a cook.
Okay.
Yeah? Remember I run down, you know, when you do run down, you cook and milk have to boil down to a custard. Then you add the onion, scotch bonnet pepper, a little thyme to after the garlic, a little mixed vegetable, and the scallion, sweet pepper. So we don't serve this to the rice. That not look good to the rice. You serve it with food.
And these are the secret ingredients.
What's that you added now?
This is the ginger now for make it, you know what I mean?
My first grace was grace
sausage.
The sausage?
Yeah. You remember that ad there?
This hungry monster is out to raid the cupboard for a treat. And here comes a great little sausage with a great big taste and all the fine Viennas in the can from Grace.
It was a long time in the medium them time.
But it's not a pot for 4 now. But it's a pot for about 2 people.
Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat.
Let me tell you something, I can't go on tour now. And we say, boy, I want them to where we cook our own food, right?
Yeah.
So we go to the supermarket and say, we'll buy some food and things. You know, one cat say, he will cook for everybody. When I say cat say, he cook for?
Everybody.
When I say cat say, he cook for?
Everybody.
Did I say everybody?
Yes.
So we go back cat door and go, cat! Cat!
You see people, they see the island built up now? With the crust, all right, and that's the thing there.
Boy, from you start to be a coconut milk, me say, boy, I don't know.
Then the coconut milk have to turn the custard, my youth. See you there, wonder.
All right, so.
You see YouTubers? Remember?
Hey, I know now watch this and I wonder, you know, how it tastes and things. You have to go subscribe. One lucky winner, one of 3 winners can win a $5 Amazon gift card, 100 gift card. Did I say us? Us dollars gift card. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, yes, and then you can be in for the win. Us money, US dollars, Amazon gift card.
You know what the people are saying? Boy, cat pot a click. I would say the same.
Charades challenge, take 1. Mark.
Come on, jump in our pockets.
Since today is all about rivalry, I have some more bragging rights up for grabs. We're going to play a game of charades. I'm going to play Boaty.
Alright. I'm gonna have to make you feel. Oh, something I like that one.
Each of you will get a minute to pick cards, and I have to guess the action, person, food, thing, or occupation based on your clues. You can use props, dance, but you can't talk. Ready?
Like yesterday. Alright, that one are good. That one are good. My minute start already?
DJ, singer, artist, comedian, Ity and Fancy Cat. Fridge, refrigerator. Plane, take off. Gardener. Painter. Conductor. Taximan. Security. I don't know. Time up. Oh, man.
That's say. Not so.
Man, I could have done that one. That looks like a male version of dirty wine. Okay. Horse, gallop, jockey. Okay. Bad man forward, bad man pull up, dance, ding dong, loader man, taxi man. Doctor, social distancing. Ah, that was a good guess. Scrape, pot, cut, cake, chef, waiter, shearer, server, taster, taste tester. I don't know. That time up time. What was that one?
Fine plant. No, I'm not gonna act fine plant. No. This is where it's at. Chillin. Ity and Fancy Cat.
Grace turn up now. Grace turn up the heat. Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up. Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen.
It's that time.
We pass 20 for careful dumpling. Yeah.
Grace turn up now.
Feel like come on, Chillin. Right, that's it.
Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace turn
Oh
up.
my God. This thing is so beautiful. Oh my God. Look at that. He really does it. Let me cut a bit of put the sweet pepper here.
Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat.
These are the original combination. One of them is like you get invited home and you're cooked for. One of them you're invited out and you're cooked for.
Okay. I'm going home first.
She's coming home. She loves pepper.
Yes, I love spice.
That's right. For real? So welcome at my home.
Tell you, before you taste the food, you know,
Oh, geez.
I have to
Let's
put
hear
it in the right mood, you know. The way you began is the way you say, I've got some Mackerelista.
Hey, hey.
Mackerelista.
That's gonna make me dance like that too.
Right,
Meal. I want you both to, you know, probably tell us or give the young comedians who are coming up now some advice.
You see, like that plate, yeah, you have to be creative.
Okay.
And it's like that plate over here, so you have to be original, homegrown talent. You understand? That's my advice.
All right.
You say you like spice, talk about improvement.
Whoa.
Don't miss the ginger.
Because this is original, nice, chunky mackerel. This is so unique, it's so creative. The winner of today's face-off is Ity
Mackerelista.
and Fancy Cat. What you guys? You guys compliment each other so well. Hey. So you see we can do both dances. We can do the
Yeah, I do Fancy Cat dance.
Thanks everyone for tuning in. Ity and Fancy Cat faced off today and it was magic. You never know who will join us next time on Chillin with Grace. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Grace Foods and follow us on social media at Grace Foods to get these and other recipes. See you later.
Grace turn up the heat in the kitchen.